Welcome to this audiobook, a book that is not meant to be merely heard, but to awaken your thoughts, deepen your perspective, and perhaps even slightly change the direction of your thinking. In a world where speed has replaced depth and sound surround us from every direction, mindful listening is a choice to pause, to reflect, and to build a better version of ourselves. This audiobook is the result of ideas, experiences, and lessons that can inspire. Not to tell you what to do, but to help you see more clearly and make better decisions for yourself. We recommend listening to this audiobook with an open mind and without haste. Sometimes a single sentence, when heard at the right moment, can change years of our lives. Thank you for dedicating your valuable time to this work. We hope this voice becomes a good companion on your journey of intellectual and personal growth. And here's a much deeper dive into Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins, including chapters, tools, examples, exercises, quotes, and how to apply it in real life. Full breakdown. Awaken the Giant Within. Core philosophy. You already have the power to change your life. The giant within you is your potential, and it awakens when you take control of your mind, master your emotions, change your beliefs, raise your standards, take massive, consistent action. Part 1, Personal Power. One decision shaped destiny. Your life changes the moment you make a true decision, not a wish. Robbins teaches, together we will concentrate on, not dabble in, the mastery of the 5 areas of life that I believe impact us most. They are Peer-Mace emotional mastery. Mastering this lesson alone will take you most of the way toward mastering the other 4. Think about it. Why do you want to lose weight? Is it just to have less fat on your body? Or is it because of the way you think you'd feel if you freed yourself of those unwanted pounds, giving yourself more energy and vitality, making yourself feel more attractive to others, and boosting your confidence and self-esteem? To the stratosphere? Virtually everything we do is to change the way we feel, yet most of us have little or no training in how to do this quickly and effectively. 2, Physical mastery. Is it worth it to have everything you've ever dreamed of, yet not have the physical health to be able to enjoy it? Do you wake up every morning feeling energized, powerful, and ready to take on a new day? Or do you wake up feeling as tired as the night before, riddled with aches and resentful at having to start all over again? Will your current lifestyle make you a statistic? 1 of every 2 Americans dies of coronary disease. 1 of 3 dies of cancer. To borrow a phrase from the 17th century, physician Thomas Moffat, we are digging our graves with our teeth as we cram our bodies with high-fat, nutritionally empty foods, poison our systems with cigarettes, alcohol, and drugs, and sit passively in front of our TV sets. This second master lesson will help you take control of your physical health so that you not only look good, but you feel good and know that you're in control of your life, in a body that radiates vitality and allows you to accomplish your outcomes. Trust relationship mastery. Other than mastering your own emotions and physical health, there is nothing I can think of that is more important than learning to master your relationships, romantic, family, business, and social. After all, who wants to learn, grow, and become successful and happy all by themselves? The third master lesson in this book will reveal the secrets to enable you to create quality relationships. First, with yourself, then with others. You will begin by discovering what you value most highly. What your expectations are, the rules by which you play the game of life, and how it all relates to the other players. Then, as you achieve mastery of this all-important skill, you will learn how to connect with people at the deepest level and be rewarded with something we all want to experience, a sense of contribution, of knowing that we have made a difference in other people's lives. I've found that, for me, the greatest resource is a relationship because it opens the doors to every resource I need. Mastery of this lesson will give you unlimited resources for growing and contributing. 4, Financial mastery. By the time they reach the age of 65, most Americans are either dead broke or dead. That's Hardly what most people envision for themselves as they look ahead to the golden age of retirement. 5. Time mastery. Masterpieces take time. Yet how many of us really know how to use it? I'm not talking about time management. I'm talking about actually taking time and distorting it, manipulating it so that it becomes your ally rather than your enemy. Decide clearly what you want. Remove doubt. Take action immediately. Reinforce the decision daily. Example, deciding I will become financially independent versus I hope to save more. 2. The power of beliefs. Beliefs act like filters that shape how you see reality. 2 belief types. Limiting beliefs. I'm not smart enough. Empowering beliefs. I can learn anything. Technique. Change belief by linking it to pain. Ask, what has this belief already cost me? 3. Neuroassociative conditioning, NAC. We change behavior by rewiring pain and pleasure. Example, link smoking pain. Link exercise pleasure. Steps. Decide what you want to change. Attach pain to the old habit. Attach pleasure to the new habit. Take action immediately. Reinforce daily. 4. Emotional mastery. You control emotions through body posture, breathing, tone of voice, focus. Rule, change your body equals change your mind. 5. The power of language. Words affect emotional intensity. Weak language. Empowering language. I'm upset. I'm challenged. I can't. I choose not to. Part 2. Taking control of your life. 6. Clarify your values. Your values determine your priorities. Exercise. Ask yourself, what matters most in my life? What must I never tolerate? 7. Raise your standards. You get what you tolerate. Examples. Refusing unhealthy relationships. Setting higher health standards. Demanding excellence from yourself. 8. Asking better questions. Quality of life equals quality of questions. Examples. What can I learn from this? How can I turn this into an advantage? Part 3. Creating wealth and success. 9. Financial freedom principles. Robbins teaches, save and invest consistently. Avoid emotional spending. Think long-term. Pay yourself first. Relationship mastery. Improve relationships by listening deeply, communicating needs clearly, showing appreciation, avoiding blame. 11. Time mastery. Focus on important tasks over urgent tasks, eliminating distractions, setting daily goals. Part 4. Personal identity and growth. 12. Identity shapes behavior. If you see yourself as a healthy person, healthy habits follow. Shift identity before habits. 13. Modeling excellence. Study successful people and copy their strategies. Example, study habits of top students or entrepreneurs. Practical exercises from the book. Exercise 1. Change a limiting belief. Write a belief holding you back. List why it's false. Create a stronger belief. Read it daily. Exercise 2. Emotional reset. 2 minutes. Stand tall. Breathe deeply. Smile. Focus on gratitude. Exercise 3. Standard upgrade. Write, I will no longer tolerate. From now on, I demand. Powerful quotes. The path to success is to take massive, determined action. It is not what we get, but who we become. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. Your past does not equal your future. Real-world applications. Career. Improve confidence. Increase productivity. Build leadership. Health. Build discipline. Stop harmful habits. Increase energy. Relationships. Improve communication. Build emotional control. Money. Budget better. Build long-term wealth. Honest strengths and criticisms. Strengths. Highly motivating. Action-oriented, deep mindset tools. Criticisms. Very intense tone. NLP methods debated. Requires discipline. Now that we have reached the end of this audiobook, you may not have found answers to all your questions, and that is completely natural. The purpose of this work was not to provide definitive answers, but to plant the seeds of curiosity, awareness, and reflection in your mind. What you have heard becomes truly valuable only when it finds its way into your real life, into your decisions, into how you see yourself and others, and into the choices you make each day. Remember, great changes often begin with small but consistent thoughts. If even a single sentence from this book caused you to pause, reflect, or act differently, then this book has fulfilled its purpose. Thank you sincerely for staying with this voice until the end. We hope that what you have heard is not the end of a journey, but the beginning of a new movement in your life. And so thank you for watching, and good luck, my friends.